Hey there, I'm Merlene Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from MerleneTilton.com, where you can experience great tasting foods and enjoy the benefits of food-grade essential oils with healthy food alternatives and improve your gut health naturally. After watching, make sure you go to the description below and download my free Food-Grade Essential Oils Guide. In this video, I show you how to make a cilantro pesto recipe in minutes with fresh cilantro, macadamia nuts, plus lime and black pepper essential oils, which have amazing benefits, and the taste is awesome. So let's get started by cutting up the cilantro in pieces, and in the blender, we're going to add 2 cups of packed cilantro, 3 cloves garlic, half a cup of olive oil, 1/3 cup of macadamia nuts, or you can use pine nuts, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and then 2 drops of lime essential oil, which is great for detox, improving gut function and metabolism, and 1 drop black pepper essential oil for immune boosting and knocking those carb cravings. Now we're going to blend it up all together until very, very smooth. Isn't this simple? And these are such clean ingredients, you never have to buy pesto again. Now, all you have to do is put it in a bowl and refrigerate, and then spoon it on some of your favorite foods. Now, for example, I like to spoon it on fried chicken, or even some freshly baked salmon, even in a baked sweet potato, and freshly steamed vegetables, even pastas or salads. There's so many ways to use pesto. Thanks for watching. Make sure you go to the description below, ask your questions, comment, download my free Food Grade Essential Oils Guide, then like and subscribe.